Okay guys, my name is Lens and I want you to join the Lens Empire by subscribing to my YouTube channel and also smash the like button. I'm Lens. Okay, today what's happening guys? I have something in this box right here and it is partly open. I'm gonna show you what's inside and I'm gonna talk more about what I'm gonna do with this. Yeah, with the wind speed that we are getting, I could say that most likely we would probably generate less than 400 watt one of these. And I just want to talk more about this, which is a charge controller for this wind generator. And to be honest, the way this thing looks on the internet, it looks a bit bigger. To be honest, it looks way bigger than this small thing right here. It looks a bit bigger, and we can see everything right here that this also is rated at 400 watt, and we can see that it also have protection level and the different wiring in place.
So this is the charge controller guys, and I'll be hooking this up and we'll be talking more on solar and also wind turbine, renewable energy on a whole. So this is the latest that is up with lens right now and in the technology field, yeah. But I really thought that this was a bit bigger. If I happen to just go on my computer and look at it, it looked bigger online. When I received it, I was like, wow, this thing is small. So this is what you will get if you purchase one of these wind turbine. I'm Lens, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on technology and that sort of thing.